sitting by the fire. My grandpa told your grandma, I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, hey now, I go and dig it. Oh, take him on, beat him, money goody, moody, money goody, take him up, beat on Now y'all check this out. We all know that the Saints are going to the Super Bowl. All those guys on ESPN can talk about Brett Favre, Tony Romo, but they know that the goal is down on the bayou. Talking about hey now, hey now, I go and dig it. If you believe, somebody say yeah. You know what, Anthony? Come on over here. Before we do jambalaya, I tell you what, we gonna play. Tom Benson came and he said, Rockin' Dopsie, I want you to write a song for the Saints, and we wrote a Saints song, and we gonna play it live right here. I know y'all heard it for preseason. And they played for LSU preseason. They played for the Bayou Classic, and it's a Louisiana theme song for all our Louisiana teams. Even though LSU lost last night, we still the one. Everybody ready to have a good time? Everybody feel good? If you feel real good, let me hear you say yeah. Everybody say I believe in the Tigers. I believe in the Saints. So every time a Saints song, every time a Saints game come on and you hear this song, think about Rockin' Dopsie. You heard it. It goes a little something like this.